Kaya kau miat kentai watip kam Miss Jowai pageant araja araule. Walaupun man hau benai Desember rumni snem, dauman kau rap phær nagi snem mo nachwa, kat kam ioluti by pengkrek gi board penlai yongka, kete tok kadisa Social and Sports Club Cirup ikrek lang waga ANG Enterprise. Kamwa ke Miss Jowai man kau cibentai ilek kemen miat, ichem pang wai pen kup bor, ke pang yongka hau news snem le ongko, empowering her, grace, culture, sustainability. Iu mut ke thong to open kup bor ikan thai ke rilom jantia, lengba ke rinsan yo lat ki penyo ye man kerpang yongki, iman chlur, wai iu man mentoi le ya kejai bru. Kat kam ipentip na ke presiden ke Disa Socio and Sports Club, ke EE Lelu, wa Dr. Elvi Marbeniang, sekretari Disa Socio and Sports Club, wa Eris J Nongkenri ANG Enterprise, kam ke event partner, ongki wa hauni usnem ya ke Miss Jowai empeman de po hall, tang wa cakit tau ki madan wa he, ne bahak wadau em ki dukan wa bonjai wa yatok wa tenre, lah ki jaj bam, jaj chna, ki tiar wa kiwi ki jaj wa wanra, itimit ya ke jaj bro. Nete idau em le ipinyorong isap ipong nagi khenro kholot nado irwa ichat item iput ijait draw wa kiwi kisap wa pen mento ya ki imlang salang. Tang wa ya ke tau wa pemon kamjo ka terik ka Disa Socio and Sports Club do pun benawan ko haden. Ka registration ni bentak bekwa uci menta da wa nado ka arpa pratrik Ogos hadok le pau trik September aja arah role. Wa ke audition uman ko hagatiya wa nengkong Oktober. Wa hadin ke audition le do em ke personality development training program. Wyrta ki yiu cimenta tok kapra hado arhau nyau snem, ibu mut arhau nyau snem kat hado ka lehaw witrik ubenawa pra usnem arjar arhau le. Ijirong tok san put arenci ceneng klem sap juti jirong kendong, wai tok uman le ki wadang semen, ki mumpu empen skem bia, ki mumpu embia, wai emtok le ki wadajuk bia. Tok uman le ki wacong cenong wapura geri lom jentia, ne ki waman kam gi penari hanla chong sa ki sa ki wiki tau, dewa pen sket le yai em ya ke Schedule Tribe Certificate. Ne menta utip benia, yo phone hakni number nyaw le not pra not le khande san san so nete upra ar san nyaw khande so pra khande nyaw wi wa khande pran ru ar not so not nyaw so ne yo email le haga dsscjowai@gmail.com kwa hawyo uyiklam wa Miss Jowai kwa job khaddo house name arja ka pra kalame ka pasa ko wan lom perdi jong pia Jowai khna ko long ba ichimenta haga Miss Jowai Xiao tho ko badyo ko boni mentoy hanla wan cha penthut ke lockdown. Ongko wakato ko juk seram berubah nachwa. Tangwa naduk wa cimenta ko Miss Jowai kat di desnyau thlur ko yin insan hakmat paiba. Wai bumtin de go mir insan kat hawa emle. Dalai man galek kam ke model hagi thaw phær nete juk cimenta ko Miss Silong the job kala ye nam face of butterfly. Wai haduk kat ni dang ye krek lang ko wa butterfly collection ha Silong. Dajuk man golek kam ke brand ambassador hapok ke senat election yo pun seluruh kenro kelot wa wan thap bot ki kam te kentu ko wi kelot wa mi ya cimenta ki kam ngani grensan ne bha kani man ko ke lat wa ementoi hakwi bon ki liang wa untok pun sep ai ke lat wa yo
that the objective to promote the well-being of the youth of Dainty Hills. It is a platform for all the youth, especially since I am a sport person, especially in the field of sports at that time, at the very initial stage. We took part in football, in basketball, in athletics, and our team, Disa Socio and Sport Club, emerged as the champion team. Even in the Meghalaya meet also, all the athletes of Disa brought laurels to the best team in the women's section. And then Disa Socio and Sport Club started the first cricket competition also in Jowai town. At that time nobody is starting, so we are trying to introduce new things. And then later on we thought that sports is not only the platform for the youth, but we need also to help the youth in showing their talent in the field of beauty and in the field of interview, to face the interviews, to face the challenge of the world, day-to-day world, because they need somebody, they need confidence to face. So that's why we organized this Miss Jowai pageant. And really we are thinking that this pageant will help our students, and we have seen that there are so much development. We have seen that Miss who are already, I think for 15 years we have been conducting it. Only these few years back due to COVID, we cannot have it. So from all the winners, actually they are something in life nowadays. So this year also we are thinking again of organizing this event, and it will be in a broader scale maybe, because we would like to take it to the village, because we want the local, those people there, the rural people there will be benefited, and moreover they will see and they will have confidence in facing everything in life, since nowadays it is a competition in everything. So I think that is all from my side. We will be organizing it, and let the secretary say something.
Thank you so much from the press club that have rendered your time in spite of your busy schedule to be with us here today. As the president of the club has mentioned, it's been 35 years. So 35 years, they might be old physically, but they're still young at heart. Now it's our time, it's our, it's this generation to carry forward the legacy of the club. They started with the intention, like she mentioned, which is solely to uplift the youths of Jainte Hills then. And there was no east, there was no west then. It was just Jainte Hills. And we were not very, it was not urban then. It was a rural area, and then they thought of a platform that brought the entire youth together. Something to give back to Jainte Hills, their home, their town. Now, seeing 35 years of their journey, we deliberated what to do next with the club. So we, together with new infusement of young energy members of the club that have come, we decided, we take the Visa Social and Sports Club to the next level, where it's not just anymore about beauty pageant, it's more about overall involvement of the community. So our roadmap is basically to contribute more to the society, while we don't forget what Miss Jowai is. We're also looking at Miss Jowai as a platform where more youth, more young women, young artists can come and showcase their talent. A platform to challenge themselves. A platform to say, no, I can do it. If someone else can do it, if people from other states can do it, we need a platform where our youth will challenge themselves. It brings out the best of them. So going forward, we're looking at an event which involves different other aspects of development in terms of youth, focusing on the Miss Jowai. I know it's the much-awaited event. People are waiting and they're asking. So we know that we just want to announce that we are back with the Miss Jowai pageant. We are excited about the event as much as our beloved Jaintia people are. And we want to give the best this time. So we need to spread the word through the press, because you are our partners, and through you we can spread the word that, there is such an event. The event is not just about Shillong, but this is an event that we want to promote about Jainte Hills. So we want to reach out to all the youth to take this opportunity through the press and come join us. The venue and dates will shortly be announced for the Miss Jowai pageant 23-24. And we will give another press release, or probably release it to the press on the venue and date and through various social media platforms on what the dates are like and what the event is about and what all you can expect from the event. So with these few words, I think so I'd like to hand over to our reigning Miss Jowai. Sadly, COVID hit her, she couldn't do much, but she spared her time, so we are full of gratitude that she could make it here, and she's a brand ambassador for us, and I think she has a few words to say to you.
Hading pada jam sebetulnya yo yang ambil the experience atau pada sedangan juga lockdown itu yo di dekat tele kebun pada experience naduk pada Jawa di pun experience pada yo kamu le modeling learner ada yo mencoba untuk Shillong yo asal le modeling hading pada Jawa dan hading pada Jawa itu Miss Jowai le compete di Shillong le boy ada top 9 hading Nathan sedang oleh modeling haduk ani dan continue oleh man as model cuma tu bayo ani mi te kamu mencuba untuk ke berubah ni seram harang tu saya tak seram of face lang tu jong stage le dekat di mudra bi confident ada the note of me kat ho em le di yo kata confidence na ganit do wal sedang au Miss Jowai dat sedang yo kata confidence tau please kam ha jong stage that hadin da le hagawi ka brand o em shalom butterfly collection that job o ka we the title le ka face of butterfly te kan ni le dang create kamu ka butterfly collection ni te dau continue so ini dang bon ki show ki shoot ka dau le hadin ka Miss Jowai le di yo man ka brand ambassador yang collection o yo ong ki khana o go one thap wood yang tu te chna ke kiau yo ki te ka hok o thap wood as Miss Jowai I have grown so much as a person. I have learned a lot, and I just want to tell the girls to just come and be confident, be strong. Together, let's create a legacy of strong, confident, and empowerment who can make difference in the world.
Mentioned earlier, Miss Jowai, the club has focused on youth development for sports and beauty pageant. Beauty pageant right now is not just about a beautiful lady walking on stage. It's about someone who builds their confidence and carry forward that legacy of representing Jainte Hills. Miss Jowai is not just about Jowai people, it's about the entire Jainte Hills. That is what we did. But going forward, we're not just looking at doing just Miss Jowai beauty pageant. We're looking at something more exciting, something more diverse in terms of what we have to offer, not just to the youth of Jainte Hills, but also to different walks of society. Be it the women association, be it the children, the young crowd, be it the elder crowd, be it people that love arts and music, be it any walks of field, we're looking to explore that. We don't want to divert too much right now. We want to build that suspense where there will be a time where we announce that event to everyone else. But at this point of time, our main purpose for today is basically to reach out to, like our consultant here has mentioned about what we're trying to do through Miss Jowai, but it's to reach out to every young woman out there that there is a platform for you to shine. We are in talks with different other agencies where we carry forward the Miss Jowai to some other level as well, and that will also be disclosed in days to come. But our main focus is to reach out to them through you guys, through the press, that please come forward. He's mentioned the dates, he's mentioned the time, he's mentioned the basic criteria. We'll also share the criteria on our social media page, who can and who cannot, and who's eligible for the contest. But main thing is, we want everyone to take this opportunity. We want everyone to say, yes, this is a platform, yes, I can come forward. We believe that there's so much more that the Jaintia people or our ladies can offer to the rest of the world, not just this region, but also to the nation as such. So let's start with this platform and then build them from this platform to bigger platforms in future.
Okay. First of all, I would like to thank the club, Giza Social and Sports Club, for inviting me and my team here to collaborate for the Miss Jowai pageant for 23-24. First of all, we would like to say that we are so thrilled and excited to be here, and this event promises to showcase talent, grace and confidence of remarkable young women of Jowai as they compete for the coveted title of Miss Jowai 2023. The organizers is Giza Social Sports Club. The event partner is ANG Enterprise. We have this event scheduled for December 2023. Dates to be announced, the venue to be announced, and the celebration of Miss Jowai is about beauty, intellect, and empowerment, with the theme empowering her socially, culturally. Sorry about that. Empowering her grace, culture, and sustainability. This is a platform that for our youth to shine, to express their individuality, and to make a positive impact on the community. The key highlights of the event, we would start with the registrations that is open from today onwards. The forms are ready. Anybody who's interested in applying can come to Runo Health, which is here in Kendros Klang, Muslankat, to pick up the forms and submit the forms. The registrations are open from today onwards till the end of September, and after that we will be having our auditions, which will be held in the first week of October, where contestants will have a chance to present their unique talents and qualities to the panel of judges. Next in line is we have the personality development training program for the contestants that we have selected to go to the main event, and this program is designed to enhance the overall personality of the contestants, helping them to develop grace, poise and confidence in them. And then lastly, we were going to the grand finale, which will be held in December, and this will take place, as I told you, in December. This event promises to be a night of glamour, of poise and inspiration as contestants compete for this title. Like the secretary of the club has told you, it's a very people are waiting for this event to happen for many years now, and we are coming up with this event. We are so thrilled, and we are hoping that with the support of the people from Jante Hills, we can make this event a successful one. Like how it was, this time the pageant, Miss Jowai pageant, will be conducted in an outdoor setting. That means we have yet to identify the venue, but the place for the venue will be in outdoor setting, and this time we're bringing in more into the event in terms of maybe promoted like a festival. We will have stalls, we will have mini market, we will have music. It will be a celebration of food, of culture, where communities can come and showcase their talents in terms of food, in culture, and in music. So those are the things that we're trying to do from the club and the event partner as event partners.